Today's unboxing is Wrecker from the Star Wars The Black Series, the Bad Batch. This is the front, side art, and the back. A little backstory for Wrecker, and the other side. Okay, and this is a little bit bigger compared to the other figures from the same series. Price point, I believe this was around $32 compared to the other ones like Tech or Echo, which was a new release. And here we go. That's the inside. Okay. Clamshell right there. And check this out. Okay, so that's the figure. Comes with a backpack, his helmet, one gun, and his knife. As you can see, this is the back. Side, that insignia right there. And let's see. Okay, put the knife in there. Backpack goes right there. Helmet. Okay. Nice fit there. And his gun. Okay. There you go. And let's just close up this helmet. Side view. Right there. Okay. Let's look at the joints. Knee joint. Hips. And shoulder. It's a little bit restricted because of the pads, the shoulder pads. Again, the head right there is quite nice. Quite nice. Comes with this little bit scar right there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, pretty straightforward. That's it. Wrecker, Bad Batch, Star Wars Black Series.